Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. So for today's video I want to just review the answer for use case 4, 5, 6 and 7. Alright, so remember we have one assignment on this one. It's just one use case, so I think after this I straight given to you this assignment. Alright, so please give a full attention on how actually you want to answer on this question. Alright, the first one, okay, I just highlight on this by color. Alright, so hopefully I can highlight. Oh, cannot, man. Macam mana think open by pen this one. Alright, I got it here on the pins on this first question, IT solutions. Alright, without further ado, we go on this use case. Sorry. Alright, IT social computer manufacturer offer the possibility of purchasing computer via the internet. Customer, yes, we got the first okay, the orange one is a yellow. Yellow is the tampak tak? Tampak. Yellow one is the actor, customer. I first want to identify how many actor on this one. Okay, customer can select. Okay, we got customer. This is all the things that they do, and then configure for each build. Could place their order. Customers fill shipment. Okay, acceptable once they enter. Web administrator, yeah. This is the second outer web actor, sorry. And send confirmation. The system allow and the web service the okay. Verify customer credential, order configuration from the warehouse, printing request warehouse to ship. Okay, warehouse is another party actually, which is they handle on this shipping and also the request order ni. Okay, so I will put this warehouse is as the third actor. So here actually we got three actor here. Alright, I just highlighted on this what are these customer do. Select computer manufacturer online web store. Okay, this is all general. Okay, computation customer can select standard. Okay, select standard configuration, and then or build. Okay, so this is two things different here, meaning that they can have the already what's been done by the shop, and also they can build on their own customization. So this is two other things, two things on the actions. And then of course the component for each food configuration with price will be okay. For the build desired configuration ni akan include actually price will be calculated automatically. This is include on this build desired ni. To place their order, customer can fill the shipment. Okay, they have to fill shipment and payment information. So fill shipment and then payment information. Okay, there are two things. For the payment, acceptable payment method either a credit card or debit card. So you can have extend function over here, credit or debit card, once the order has been entered. The web administrator. Okay, web administrator. Okay, this almost done on the customer. Web administrator. Now we look on the action. Send confirmation email. Okay, this is number one. Verify customer credential payment methods, and then they akan request order to the warehouse, and can they print the invoice. Okay, print invoice will involve this web administrator and also the warehouse. As I said tadi, request order ni akan involve the warehouse also, and they also request the shipment. Okay, Kejap, I think kita miss something. Alright, I think that one settle on this one. Alright, here are the answer on this one. I think we have, okay, select computer standard configurations. Okay, I think is it I do this correctly or not? Okay, betul. Customers can select a computer standard configuration and build. Yes, there are two things, betul. And of course, as I said tadi, will be calculated automatically on this one. Include once they pick the build configurations, fill the shipment satu, and of course fill in the payment another one. Of course, I said the fill in payment they can have this credit or debit cards done. Oh, ada checks I think this is wrong sebenarnya. Should be this is debit lah sebenarnya. Alright, not all this schema betul sebenarnya, so you better be careful. Alright, so once the order has been entered, okay, tadi ada send confirmation email as I said, or by the web administrator. Okay, kita ada miss this one, check order status. Kat mana ni? Okay, that one I'm missing, but you can macam tak ada pun. Of course, standards by right they can check their order status lah. Okay, on this one, customer can check the order status at any time. Alright, I missed on that one. Web administrator tadi send a confirmation email verifying customer credential, done. Request order, done. Okay, request order ni akan ada link with the warehouse, and then of course printing the invoice, and then the last one, request the warehouse to ship the computer, done. Okay, some of you, I think I see they put it here on the web administrator. Yes, you can do that one, but the problem is you want to link on this two lah sebenarnya. But most of you, I think you do this web administrator here, which is there's no problem as long you can link with the warehouse names. And some of you put the warehouse in here. It's okay, no problem. It can be the warehouse will be in the left and the web administrator on the right. Okay, done on the question number 4. Okay, we move on to the question number 5. Okay, this one is Project INC. It's an engineering firm. Approximately 500 engineers of different disciplines types. The company keeps record all employees and their skill assigned project and the department they work in. Interest applicants needs to fill the qualification. Engineering manager notify. Okay, this is about the job application on this one. Okay, so yeah, so kita identify the actor first. Okay, number 1 that I can see here is the interested applicants. So applicants is applicant is the first actor here. Okay, they fill up the qualifications. Okay, tak apa nanti. Engineering managers. Okay, this is the second author. Second actor, sorry. Notify the personnel manager. Okay, engineering manager notify personnel manager, meaning that there are third person here. And when job opens, the personnel manager compare the qualification of available open the job schedule to be the manager in charge. Okay, there's a manager in charge of the vacancy. So okay, bukan banyak manager ni, engineering manager. Okay, and then personnel manager in charge. Okay, on the best candidate from the pool, after the personnel manager make hiring. Dia panggil personnel managers pula. Okay, make hiring upon application, evaluation, interview manager about the decision. When hired, a new engineer completes a non-disclosure. Okay, meaning we have the berapa orang ni? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's another one new engineer ni because they have a statement here, complete a non-disclosure disclosure agreement. So we have to include this one, new engineer. Okay, it looks simple but confusing on this one. So better try kita distinguish on these applicants ni. First they fill the qualifications, detail in the application, meaning fill the application form. Okay, sorry, I think better you buat fill application form. Okay, they have to attach a curriculum vitae for the job. Okay, this one you can include sebenarnya. Okay, and then engineers manager. Okay, tu je on these applicants. Now we move to this engineer manager. Notify the personnel. Okay, the first one is notify the open job. When the job open, notify job open to this personnel manager. And then list the characteristics necessary for the available. List characteristic because you always when you see this N ni, there's another activity here happens. So you have to list characteristics of apa ni, necessary to be eligible for the job. Okay. The personnel manager compare the qualification. Okay, this personnel manager do this one, yang personnel manager ni compare qualifications of available of with the characteristic of open job. Okay, and then schedule interview. Okay, this is another activity, schedule interview between the manager. Lagi the 3 best candidate from the pool. And then after create evaluation. Okay, creating evaluation for each interview ni is by the manager in charge ni. And then the personnel manager make hiring decisions. Okay, hiring decisions. Personnel make hiring decision. Okay, I think this one ada link dengan create evaluation ni. And of course the applicant punya forms lah. The personnel manager make hiring decision, application form, non-interview and manager decision. Okay. Then email notification. Email notification is by the personnel manager. Okay, to the interviews and manager about decision when hire. Okay, this course yang new engineer tu akan complete the non-disclosure agreement, of course, and also this file the personal information. Okay, alright, this is the schema on this one. Alright, let's check our answer here. Yep, we got 5 applicants. Sorry. Applicants, as I said, engineer manager, you got personnel manager, manager in charge. Okay, this is manager in charge sebenarnya. They just write the manager only. I think you can write a manager in charge. And the last one is a new engineer. Okay, look at the field application. Okay, done. Attach. Sorry, I think kita akan buat kat sini. Sorry. Field qualification, attach curriculum vitae. Okay, sebenarnya ni include sebenarnya. No need for this one. Okay, buang ni punya arrow ni. As I said, not all the schema ni perfect sebenarnya. And then engineer manager akan notify the personnel, manager or notify on job open ni tadi. Yes, betul. And then of course list the characteristics. Okay, list characteristics ni on the hiring decision tadi by the, okay, this one I said ada kena mengena dengan list characteristic and the create evaluation. Okay. Okay, I'll look on the personnel manager ni. Personnel manager, compare the qualification. Okay, this one. And schedule the interview. Okay, done. Hiring decision. Tadi this one. Dia kata personnel manager here. So kat sini sebenarnya ada hiring decision. So dia akan include sebenarnya dengan list of characteristic by engineers manager ni, and of course the manager in charge punya evaluations. Kan manager in charge ni is creating the evaluation criteria sebenarnya. Dia yang create evaluation tadi kan. So we done on that. And of course I said email the notification sebenarnya. This one. And last one, this one, and fill the personal information. Okay, quite confusing, but as long you got 5 actors here, you got 5 marks. Yeah, use case ada 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Connection dia garis-garis ni, but connection dia kata 12 kat sini. Relationships and boundaries. Boundaries, okay, make sure every time you done the use case, make this boundary kotak ni, and of course you have to put the title. This one is project INC for job applications. Okay, done on the question number 5. Number 6, fix computer repairs. Okay, I think you can use this as your title. Okay, let's look on this. How many actors first? Alright, the first one we do is identify how many actors. Copy fix a computer repair computer, ya memang kena baca lah. Okay, the owner Hanif. Okay, you can put owner ni ataupun Hanif. Hanif is the first actor, the only person working in the company, but he hopes to expand the employ more engineer in the future. Okay, ada engineer to do something? No, not yet. At present, Hanif hold much information about the repair jobs in the filing cabinet. Okay, recently appointed an analyst. Okay, you are responsible to complete the job. Okay, this following are the system requirement. So sebenarnya our use case start on this this paragraph, sorry. Okay, the second one. When a computer brings in a faulty when a customer bring a fault computer, sorry, we start on this one. So customer is a second actor. Hanif logs a repair job, give the customer an estimate date. Okay, Hanif also need the customer detail. Every day he checks or leave a repair. He will order computer part with his supplier and reschedule when the repair job. Okay, they order computer part ni dengan supplier, so they are related over there. So supplier is our third actor, and then the customer will come collect the. Alright, macam mana kita nak buat this one? Okay, so ini nak buat sistem sebenarnya. So this is compute fix system lah, boleh bagi kat sini dia punya title. Okay, sistem untuk dia buat on this customer faulty repair sebenarnya kan. Okay, first Hanif log as a, okay, kita ada 3 je. Boleh kata owner tadi Hanif, and then kita ada supplier, and of course customer ni lah. Customer yang paling penting lah. Alright, tapi yang Hanif ni lah, Hanif ni is the first actor yang communicate with the system. So the first one they do is log a repair job, and then giving the customer estimate date. Okay, this one giving a customer estimate date ni is compulsory, looks like. So estimate date to be completed, so it's include punya information. Honey also need to key in the customer. Okay, key in customer detail is another job over there. So every day he check the list of repair. Okay, check the list of repair, and then select whether to choose the job to be done that day. Okay, so kat sini punya macam and select whether to choose. Okay, this is macam it's an option sebenarnya, whether to choose the job So you can buat extend relationship dekat checklist of repair ni, select job to be done lah sebenarnya. If he finds that required part out of stock, okay, insufficient stock sebenarnya ataupun not enough stock, he will order the computer part. Okay, so boleh buat kat sini parts are out of stock, and then dia akan order the parts. Okay, maksudnya part out of stock kita ada include punya apa ni relationships on this order the parts. Order the parts ni akan involve kita punya supplier ni, with supplier, and reschedule the job. Reschedule job to a later date. Okay, order the part and to later date when the repair job is completed. Okay, Hanif will update the job status. Okay, update job status ni is another things that Hanif do, the owner do. The customer will come collect the computer. Okay, yang customer ni tadi just come to collect computer, and Hanif give the customer invoice. Okay, produce, give customer invoice, satu dia another job. Okay, and the customer makes payment immediately. So okay, dia tak cakap kat sini nak buy a credit card or cash, so you can just make a invoice ni and include the relationship tu, mesti bayar lah kan, takkan tak bayar. Makes payment immediately, payment lah, makes payment je on this apa ni customer. Okay, so maksudnya dekat collect computer ni akan ada makes payment ni, of course kena ada relationship dia is include also lah. Okay, straight to the point on this one. Okay, this is the schema on this CompuFix system. Yes, we just use case diagram for the CompuFix system. Let's check our answer here. Okay, kita ada owner, betul. Sorry, we have the owner. Okay, they just put owner, atau you can write down Hanif over here, and then kita ada supplier, and of course the customer. Okay, tengok the first one. Log a repair job, done. Key in customer detail, done. Check the list of repair, done. Select, yes, as I said, this is a option, they want to, if Hanif want to do that job or not. Select a repair job. Okay, job to be done, I said tadi kan. Okay, this part select repair job je, and then check insufficient part of, dia kata insufficient, just out of stock tadi lah, and they order the part. Okay, this is extend, I said tadi include kan, so you can mostly kalau dia tak order kan, macam mana dia nak complete the job kan. So I accept both answers sebenarnya, if you want to make extend or even you want to do include. Of course, okay, after they order the part akan reschedule the repair job. Oh, macam ni dia punya relationship dia, extend. I think macam ni pun boleh letak include sebenarnya. This one will be linked to the supplier or the parts, and identify the low stock. Okay, ada ke identify the low stock ni? Okay, you can have a different answer on this one sebenarnya. I not strictly follow on this schema, but of course you can ada update the job status and produce the invoice ni. Yes, produce the invoice ni, as I said, of course kena ada include payment, and collect computer ni is the only thing that the customer do, so this one you have to be include relationship on the make a payment. Okay, use case on this one 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Actor ada 3, and connector ni yang garis-garis ni ada 10. And of course, don't forget to make a boundaries, and the title is 15 marks. Okay, as you know, we should have usually on this question on the use case is 25 marks, so maybe 20 marks lah, but this question only 15. As I said, this is an easy question, that's why they have given the less mark on this one. Alright, the last question finally on Fahim has been appointed as an IT executive. Alright, first we identify how many actors first. Alright, kita baca dulu. Fahim has been appointed as IT executive located Johor as web developer. So ask Fahim to develop interactive, effective. This system allow customer to buy and related musical item anywhere and anytime. Okay, dekat sini sebenarnya Fahim ni is kita lah sebenarnya, kita yang kena buat. So the online system will enable the customer register as a new customer. So sistem apa sebenarnya? Sistem to buy this musical item. Maybe you can buat musical system online shopper ke. Alright, so the first one we have here of course is a customer. Kenapa ni? Okay, customer ni okay, dia kena register etc etc. Kita nak tahu berapa actor. Once I order, after that customer can make semua customer lagi, and they need to check the investigation to the admin. Okay, admin is another actor. The admin need to check. Oi, senang ya. Alright, this is simple. Again, a simple question like question number 6. We have a customer. Okay, we try to identify what are these use case that been involved. Of course, they kena register, and then register ni of course for this new customer kan, betul tak? Kalau di old customer, yang existing customer tak perlu nak register 10 kali kan. So this one for extend this is option. So if they are the new customer, they have to register. Okay, and then can view all the item. Apa lagi? Can choose and purchase. Choose satu and purchase item ni is another use case. Okay, another activity. Once they decide, they can place the order. Okay, place the order inside the shopping cart. Fill up the details satu, and the delivery address. Fill up the detail ni akan include dia punya delivery address, email. I think this one you can put as include relationship. After that, customer can make a payment. Okay, make a payment is a setting. So by credit card or online banking transaction. So this one is extend because there is option if they want to use a credit card or online banking. And the customer will receive notification through email. Okay, notification on email is another one. They need to check the email notifications. Okay, and report and it's going to admin. So admin ni sebenarnya dia punya tu is to check the details on this notification tadi lah. And then ni juga admin punya kerja. Oh, of course, handle shipping of the item. Alright, simple answer on this one. This is the schema on question number 7 here. Okay, betul, kita ada only have a customer and the admin. Alright, most of our system will, kita lupa tulis tajuk kat sini, so you can put this system name ni, can put like online musical, dia bagi nama lah, online musical system ke apa. Sebenarnya nak beli kan. So mana tadi, sorry. Okay, this system allow customer to, okay, kita check terus lah. Kita make it quick on this one. They can register satu, view the item betul, and choose item and purchase. As I said, kalau ada end ni mesti another apa ni, activity sebenarnya. And decide to place the order. Okay, done. Fill up the detail. Okay, tadi fill up the details ni, as I said, you can buat extend punya relationship, which is dia kena include dia punya delivery address, terus itu delivery. Okay, as I said, tak semua skema ni betul sebenarnya, so you kena tambah sikit. Kena letak email address ni, include punya relationship and the phone number. So 3 ni you can put as a include punya relationship. Okay, After that, the customer can make a payment. Okay, make payment betul ada. Okay, this one betul ada extend credit card or online banking. And then the last one, the customer will receive a notification through email. Notification through email ni, they need to check the notification report for the NHP to admin. Okay, check the detail ni by the admin, and then the last one is handle the shipping details. Alright, done. Okay, over 26, you have 26 or 25 in your class, so most of you have turned in on the answer for 5, 6, 7 use case. I think it's enough lah on this use case kan, so I think I can straight give in to you this assignment. Okay, thanks for those yang dah bagi ni. I just can open a few of you. Yes, this one from Irwan. Betul lah ni sebenarnya. Make sure Irwan you can have a putus-putus punya garisan ni for the include and extend punya relationship. Okay, as Vianil ni memang style luar biasa dia punya. Alright, kalau boleh line tu straight to this apa ni apa tadi, use case tu. Okay, pun betul. I think you know that you all don't have any problem on this one. Okay, this one very good from Javas. Tarmizi, okay, betul. Okay, arrow kalau extend is they comes to back to the use case tu. Kalau dia include akan pergilah keluar, arrow keluar. Okay, arrow, that's why I said Christina, you have to make an arrow include ni out, and if the arrow extend tu kena go back to the first use case kan. Ni arrow pun kena letak arrow sikit on the Irwan lagi tadi. And okay, lain I think okay lah. Tak sempat nak tengok sebenarnya ni because too many sebenarnya. I will give marks on your punya assessment ni. Let's say on an assignment you tak score, tak jawab tak betul apa ke, your assessment ni, exercise ni will help you lah on your assignment mark. No worries. Thank God you don't have any exam on this one. Kalau tak lagi haru ni. Very good on this one, Fatin. Okay. Alright, I think I can give you the assignment after this. If you have any problem on this use case, you can always PM me. Alright. Thanks for watching. I see you on another video. Ada lagi ke? I think after this use case, you just focus on your apa ni prototype lah on that apa tu project on this one. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe. Alright. See you again. Thank you.